10 life hack stories to microwave cleaning, Lemon's magic. In a quaint little apartment, John faced a dilemma after a particularly messy cooking session. His microwave was splattered with sauce and grease, and cleaning it seemed like an arduous task. Remembering a tip from his grandmother, he sliced a lemon and placed it in a bowl of water. A few minutes in the microwave later, the steam softened the grime, making it a breeze to wipe away with a cloth. His microwave sparkled like new, all thanks to the power of lemons.